What's going on, guys? Today I just want to do a quick video because a lot of people are curious or worried or talking about this privacy display from Samsung. Now, on my right hand here, I have the S25 Ultra with the privacy guard installed. And this is a screen protector you could have bought for like 15 or 20 bucks. You can see it does the same thing. But now Samsung has included it in the software of their S26 Ultra. And I actually think that's a great thing because it not only protects you from side views. Let's just go ahead and turn it on. Not going to put it on maximum. I'm just going to turn it on the regular. But when it's built in, you can see straightforward. Let's put these two together. Once again, guys, straightforward. You can see your screen. Everything looks great. And as you turn, you can see it kind of blocks it out. Let's go ahead and do this one more time. Now, the screen protector on my right is actually doing a much, much better job. But again, this is just going to be on not the maximum setting, just the regular setting. So if we go ahead and switch this to the maximum setting here, let's go ahead and switch that to maximum. You're going to see that the screens actually kind of dim at the same time. Maybe the screen protector is doing a tiny bit better. Let's just go ahead and do this together. Nope, you can see that the Galaxy actually dimmed before my screen protection. You can see the Galaxy dimmed before my screen protector. Let's do this one more time. This is about the same angle. But the difference with the Samsung is going to be that you're going to get that same privacy no matter which way you look at your screen here. So if you look at it in landscape, it's going to block it out. Whereas on the screen protector version, that never really blocked it out. You also get protection vertically. So you can see that there. The Samsung does a much better job than the actual screen protector. So in terms of a privacy display, I mean, I really like the one that's built in from Samsung. I don't see any issue. Now, even with the screen protectors installed on, say, a S25 Ultra or any device, it's always going to dim your screen no matter what. But now the benefit to having it built into the software is you don't have to deal with that on a daily basis. You can even set this up so that it just turns on based on the type of application that you use. So right now I've just chosen some of my banking apps to automatically turn on that privacy feature. And that just means when I'm not doing anything sensitive, I get the full beautiful display right in front of me. And that's something that you did not have when putting a screen protector on your older phone. You always had to have that privacy guard on. And that just meant you always lost brightness and in turn, just a little bit of resolution. To show you a little bit of an example of the per app instance when it comes to the privacy display, I'm going to show you two ways that it can be activated. Now, I can also activate this to automatically block up any pop-ups from notifications. Anytime I need to enter in my PIN code, it'll automatically block it out. And the great thing is as well, you can automatically choose whether or not this privacy display when using that specific app is going to be in maximum privacy or just regular privacy as well. So let me just go ahead. I actually just want to show you a little bit of a difference when it comes to the two types of strengths of the privacy display here. So straight on, if I open up my Coinbase account, you can see that it looks perfectly fine. It's telling me to log in. It's telling me that I have an account that's ready to be activated. Now, if I turn it just a little bit, you can see that about this point, it's about 45 degrees or so. It kind of is a little blocked out. So anybody that's peering across the table is not really going to see what I'm doing. They're going to be able to see, of course, that I am in some type of app. Now, if you wanted to change this to ensure that nobody actually gets to see what's going on when you open that app, maximum privacy is the way to do it. So let's just go ahead and open up my same Coinbase account here. Again, head on, it looks great. Everything is perfectly fine. But now that I have it set to maximum privacy, you can see that right here about that 45 degree, it's pretty much off my screen. Let's ensure that the brightness is on. So this is a great way, once again, anytime you open up a banking app, anytime you have any type of sensitive application open, nobody's really going to be able to see what's going on your screen. So again, is it perfect? It's not perfect. Is it a step up in terms of innovation? Yes, it is. And I actually really like it because, again, you don't have to always enable that privacy mode. It's something that can be on in an instant, or you can have it set up to turn on when you leave your house, or there's a bunch of different ways that you can set up the privacy display. Now let's go ahead. I have my secondary phone right next to me. So I'm going to send myself a text message. Let's leave it at that same 45-degree angle here. Let's get rid of my weather app. I know it's going to be decent weather, but let's go ahead and receive a text message. So you can see right there that I did get a text message and you're not really able to see it. Now, if I send that same message head on, let's go ahead and send myself another text message. You can see that it came through and there we go. It kind of disappears. So again, guys, I don't really think there's anything to worry about. Let's go ahead and turn this one. No, let's leave it off. I just want to show you that difference. This is with it off. The angles are actually really good on it. And now if we turn it back on here, and it is on maximum, let's go ahead and do this test one more time. Get a little closer for you guys to see. I actually really like it. Let's go ahead. Now you can still kind of see it. I mean, that's going to be the case depending on any angle and any type of circumstance, but for the most part, 95% I would say it's being blocked out. The last thing I am going to show you is the difference between having a privacy screen protector on 24/7 versus the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, where you don't have to have it on all the time. So this has been my S25 Ultra, and again, it does have that privacy display on it. But if I take it off, let's just show you the difference. I mean, this is a much, much more vibrant screen. Show you that again. This has just been a quick review about the two screens from the S25 to the S26 Ultra. I really like the privacy display. If you don't have to enable it. And I don't really see any issues with headaches or any type of eye fatigue either. But your results definitely might vary. Just been a quick video, guys. Just want to show you the difference. Thanks for watching.